He said take time when you're whining. Tick tock like he set a little timing. Big back boy, I know you like it. So when I come around, don't try fight it. Ooh, I know you be wanting me every day. You want me to come your way. I'm a bad girl, I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girl, I'm a bad girl. What a bad girl, what a bad girl. Halle be the fatanga. All the boys them.
So YOLISSA hair have sent me a pair of lashes, a couple of headbands, a wig cap, and also I got a duster sack to keep the wig in. I absolutely love this, and I love when they send me this because when I keep them in my drawer, I can know where the hair is from, which makes it so much easier for me to just like recognize all my hairs. Also got an elastic band. Let's just open the hair and see what it looks like. I am super excited for this hair because it is a burgundy hair and I barely just go for any color, so I am like so excited. We are tired of seeing the black wigs, so let us just have a look at this. And wow, you guys, look at this. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Look at the waves, the color, and all of it in all. And it is a T-pat frontal wig. T-pat frontal wig is basically like you got lace here in the front, but then the back of it doesn't have any lace. But the lace is only like partial, which is like a center part and just the front. People wouldn't necessarily need to know that it is not a frontal. The only negative side of this is that you can't part it anyhow you want. You will need to move the wig in order to like get it like a side part, which is why I won't be able to do a side part. I was hoping that I could do a side part on this wig, but I just realized it's a T-part wig, which means I can't do that. Oh my god, that is so annoying. The fact, because I wanted to achieve like Hollywood waves, like, you know, that Hollywood vibe, just the way the hair is. I love this texture that this hair came in. I wanted to keep the curls like this. Unfortunately, I can't even have it to the side, but I'm gonna try it with the center. We are going to be trying. We need to achieve this because the idea I had in my head for this wig is massive and I need to achieve it, okay? So the construction of the wig is very different from what I have been working with lately. This is super exciting because I want to see how I would end up with this wig, to be honest with you guys. I can see that the knots are very thick on this end, so I'm not quite sure how that is gonna look like, but let us see. Let's just try this and see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the wig onto my mannequin head because I just want to style it from the mannequin head. It's gonna be so much easier for me to achieve the Hollywood curls that I wanted to. First of all, I'm just gonna go ahead and just pluck a little bit of this hairline because I don't like how it is looking and I really want it to have a nice flick in the front, which is why I wanted my side part, but that's not gonna be possible. So I'm just gonna try my level best and tweeze this to see how that's gonna look like. To be honest, I don't even have that much space to pluck from because the lace part is only that tiny wee bit section here. It's just basically like this little tiny section right there, so I haven't got that much space to pluck from, but I'm just gonna still try and remove as much as I can. Wow guys, I really love the texture of this hair. I also love how dark this burgundy color is. It's really nice. So now I'm gonna section the hair into 3 parts to be able to curl it. So I'm gonna take out the one in front right here, and this is the hair that would normally fall in the front. Then I'm gonna section the back part, because all these curling patterns are very different from each other. And then we are going to have the other front part, okay? Now with the back as well, I'm gonna just put it into half. So I've never done this curls before. It's gonna be my first attempt. I'm just gonna try. In case it becomes an epic failure, just understand, okay? So to achieve the Hollywood curls, the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray this Real Couture. It's a leave-in protein spray. So I'm just gonna spray it onto the hair to act like a heat protection spray. And then I'm going to use my curling wand. So I'm going to take it from the bottom like this. And then I'm just going to twist it as if we are trying to do a body. Sorry guys, my battery died. So this was the first attempt that I tried to do. It's not that amazing, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna try it one more time here to see how that goes. Then taking our curling wand, we are going to curl from the bottom. And then once I leave it, I'm just gonna stretch the hair and just comb through. And then open it. So I'm going to repeat the same steps on all these sections. So I have decided that I'm not going to comb it through. Instead, I'm just going to stretch the hair like this and open it. Because I feel like when I comb it, I just lose the texture of the shininess of the hair. So that's the technique that I'm gonna go for henceforward. I'm not gonna brush it out. Instead, I'm just gonna stretch and pull the hair. Really tried. I'm not sure if I did it right, but I have tried, and I hope once I install this wig in, everything will just turn out to be right. So I'm gonna move on to the right hand section, which is the front section of this wig. So because I curled going downwards on this back section, I am going to curl away from the face when it comes to this left hand side. So I'm just gonna start from the bottom here. So just gonna take some pieces, like small pieces. I'm not trying to get it big. Like, this really took time, guys. This really took time. At the end of the day, I'm also taking my time because this is entirely new to me. So we're gonna start with the spray again. Just take this section, spray it with some protein spray, and then detangle the hair. Then we are going to take this. So I'm gonna curl it from this side and away. The right kind of good for you. And then I'm just gonna pull the hair like so and just drop and then open. And then after that, I will brush it out just like this so it wouldn't become this stiff. So let's keep going. I'm gonna fast forward so it goes fast, otherwise this video is gonna be the whole day long. So 10 hours later, I am finally done curling this hair. I just wanted to show you guys what I do after curling the hair. So I basically just pull it as I showed you before, and then when I'm done, I spread it first. Then I just try to like comb it just so the hair could like align together. I'm just gonna easily comb it like this, but I'm kind of like scared because I didn't want to lose the shininess of the pattern, but I also don't want it like super stiff. So I'm just gonna like comb it and just join the two hairs together. So I'm just taking my time as I do this. And this is what I actually achieved from trying the Hollywood waves. I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, it could have been better, and I think it would have been nicer if it was a side part. I feel like that's when you actually see the stunningness of the waves. But I did well. I tried my best, guys. So I have adjusted the elastic band at the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this wig on. Oh my god, I knew that the hairline was gonna look like this. This is, I don't know how I feel about this. Let's just try and see. This wig can be glueless actually. If you strap the elastic band really well, it could be glueless. So I'm just gonna try before we move on. I know the hairline's looking kind of funny right now, but don't worry, we will fix that. Because like I said, it is not a frontal wig, so let us not expect that it's gonna look like a frontal. So I'm just gonna try and just copy the shape of this hairline. I'm definitely gonna play around with this hair. I'm loving the color so far, however. I feel like the color was so nice on me. Yeah, this wig could definitely be worn glueless. It's sitting really nicely, so I don't think it needs gluing or anything like that. I just wasn't sure about this corner thing. I see what they were trying to do, however I'm just not a big fan of that, so I think I might just have to take that away by cutting it. Yeah, then I'm gonna add concealer in the middle. I'm then going to add this argan oil to bring back the shininess.
Hey yo, YJ, why you always gotta make the fire for?
It's Friday night and I'm feeling good. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's Friday night and I'm feeling good. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's Friday night and I'm feeling fly. Yeah, yeah. It's Friday night, let's party and vibe. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay guys, so this was me done with the baby hairs, and I feel like this was so much better. Just having them out just kind of like helped disguise the way the lace was looking. I feel like everything else was perfect. The hair color, the hair quality, the construction of the wig, everything was perfect. My only thing that I wasn't a big fan of was the lace, like the hairline. I would say the hairline and the choice of lace color, considering I'm a dark skinned girl. You guys know that I like to keep it 100% real with y'all. Y'all know I like to keep it real with you guys, so therefore I'm gonna have to be honest. I don't want to sit here and say, oh yeah, everything was perfect. Everything else was really good. Like I said, the only thing that I wasn't a big fan of was the hairline and the lace.
You be wanting me every day. You want me, you want me to come your way. I'm a bad girl, I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girl, I'm a bad girl. What a bad girl, what a bad girl. Halibida fatanga. All the boys them wanna. She sweet like honey, no sugar. Baby nakanga tuda. What's your name, what's your name? It's Friday night and I'm feeling good. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's Friday night and I'm feeling good.
Yo, YJ, why you always gotta make the fire for?
It's Friday night and I'm feeling fly.
Okay guys, so that was me done for this hairstyle. To be honest, overall I absolutely love this hair. I really love this hair, and I am so happy that I went with Hollywood waves, because one of my Snapchatters actually told me you should do Hollywood waves with this hair, as I snapped it beforehand, and I am so happy that I was able to do it. I feel like I did so well, especially with this side right here. I feel like this side was just, oh my god. Imagine if this was a full frontal, customized to the T, bleached, and then I would have been able to do like a side part and just have these waves there. But then again, this also kind of shows that this hair is very good quality. It was able to take the waves and it stayed in, and it's still staying in. I'm so happy YOLISSA sent me this hair. I'm also very happy about the color. Some burgundies are like sometimes really light on dark skin, but this burgundy was like a 99J, but like a dark version of 99J. They had a light version and a dark version, so I wanted to try this dark version, and I'm so happy that I did. I feel like it complements my skin tone so much, and it's such a perfect color for this fall / winter. So this is such a nice color. To be honest, I would say all year round, because I would totally wear this in a beautiful hot summer weather. The color is absolutely amazing. And you guys could always go for like a closure instead of a teapot wig. This was my first time working with a teapot wig, and I kind of felt like it was a little bit different for me, and maybe that's why I didn't really ace it, but actually I think I aced it. I don't know, but just let me know down in the comment bar below if you guys thought that I aced this teapot frontal. This was such a challenging wig for me to work with, but I'm so happy that the end results were bomb. Like, this was so bomb. It is glueless, like I did not glue it, as you can see. It is not needed, to be honest. I just adjusted the elastic band and it fits me perfectly. I did not have to glue anything. All I did was just lay these baby hairs, which I also think that really helped in terms of disguising the shape of the hairline. Because I'm kind of feeling a little bit glamorous and in a Hollywood mood, I just wanted to throw this beautiful feathered gown. You know, I'm kind of feeling myself right now, and I'm so into my feelings right now. I am so happy with this YOLISSA unit. I couldn't have styled it any better. So this was a look, okay? Thank you so much, YOLISSA Hair, for sending me this beautiful unit. I absolutely loved it. Loved the color, the quality, the softness of this hair. Everything was amazing. I also hope that you guys learned a tip or two on how to achieve these Hollywood waves. Bye moi. Thank you so much for tuning in today and always, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye now.